Right now we are at Banaras railway station, formerly known as Madwadi railway station. But it's not just a name change. Many new features, many new amenities have been added so as to improve the traveling experience of railway passengers. To start with, this Banaras railway station has been embedded with multiple paintings or sculptures that will give you sort of a local connect. To start with, as you can see, that is a Ardhanareshwar painting with a Ganga flowing sort of depiction. It is over there, and that gives you that yes, you are there in Baba Kashi Vishwanath land. And at the left or even at the right side, you can see the paintings being placed over here. These are paintings that gives you sort of a local connect, that gives you sort of that yes, you are there in Banaras. Apart from this, when you talk about the amenities or the features for railway passengers, as you can see, a very neat and clean sort of Banaras railway station is there. The information is being given in quite very well placed manner. Large board are placed proper in Hindi and English. Both the information it is written over there. Along with that, whether it be the footover bridge or the retiring room, AC waiting room, or even food plaza, the toilets, whatever you say it, to have a proper sort of a journey experience, that all features are being placed at the Banaras railway station. Now, this is a satellite station that currently is having a footfall of around 4,500 to 5,000 railway passengers. But the capacity has been enhanced to handle approx 45,000 to 50,000 railway passengers. Since 2014, 118 crore rupees has been spent to improve the overall experience of this railway station, and with this 118 crore the platform numbers have been increased from earlier 3 to now 8 platforms it is currently there. Along with this, the trains which usually pass on from this Banaras railway station, that has also increased. So overall, railways, the North Eastern Railways is trying to develop Banaras as an iconic railway station that can handle thousands of railway passengers with quite ease.